Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jupitrr AI. So Jupitrr AI is a really good software to add B-roll automatically to your talking head or audio only files. So here I have two example videos. One of them is a talking head video and one of them is an audio only file. But if we go ahead and open up the talking head video, how Jupitrr AI works is that it uses the transcript to actually edit the video. So it works with a highlighting feature where if you want to highlight this phrase here, you can then generate an image for that phrase or you can generate a video for that phrase. So what we'll do is that we'll click on generate video. And so it takes a couple of seconds to match a relevant stock footage. But now when I click on this highlighted portion, you'll see that this is the video that's been generated for this certain section. Now, if you want to go ahead and replace this B-roll footage just because maybe you don't like the one that was chosen, you simply just click on the highlight and then click on search on another one. And maybe you want to choose a different image of struggling. Maybe you want to choose this individual here who's sitting in the shower. So with that, it changes the footage. So it takes a couple of seconds. Maybe the footage is too long, and if that's the case, you can actually drag these bracket bars that you see here at the end, and you can see that it highlights the words and unhighlights the words, so you can adjust the duration of what's being said and the stock footage or B-roll that matches what's being said to the duration of the stock footage itself. So other types of B-roll that's included with Jupitrr AI, you could go ahead and add images, you can generate videos, you can search for web images as well, you could add GIFs, you can upload your own images. And another thing, let me actually zoom out, is that you could actually also add text overlays or like title screens. So I have a title screen over here. And what's really neat is that you can edit the title screens where you can make it a full title screen or a block title screen, or you can have it so it's only the text. I like the block, but because it covers my face, you could actually position the title screen as well to anywhere you please. So with that though, that is how to use Jupitrr AI. It's a really neat piece of software that can be used in combination with other softwares as well. But if you guys know of a better or easier way on how to use Jupitrr AI, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.